I'm Chef Drew. In my kitchen, keeping things clean is non-negotiable. I've got Andreas from Cooper-Atkins here to walk me through an easy way to help minimize the risk of cross-contamination.
Safe temp checks starts with a clean probe. That's why we recommend using our probe wipes for a quick, effective thermometer cleaning between each use.
Each single-use packet is pre-saturated with food-safe solution, so you know it's doing the job right and safely.
Just open, insert, and wipe. The packet design helps you apply gentle pressure for a consistent clean without getting your hands wet or leaving residue.
Give it a couple seconds to air dry and you're good to go. Safe surface, accurate read.
When your line is busy, these wipes help you stay HACCP compliant without slowing you down. They're quick, effective, and easy to keep close by. Make cleaning easier by stocking Cooper-Atkins probe wipes.
A safer kitchen starts with smarter habits like keeping these within arm's reach.